Okay, hi, I recently bought $25 of ads on Juicy Ads and I am getting nearly 20 clicks. Do you think uh what do you think will I get sales? Question mark. So yeah, you can get sales. The one problem I see there is it depends what you did. Are you doing banner ads? Because they do have banner ads. They do have direct media buys. If it's a direct media buy, you're that's probably how you got the 20 clicks. Sometimes you do a direct media buy and you're getting access to a site. You're putting your banner up there. Your click-through rate's going to be pretty low. Okay, but it's about knowing what you're doing. So if you're doing juicy ads, if you do PopUnder traffic, you're gonna get with 25 bucks. You're gonna get like 5,000 to 10,000 clicks. Okay, that's what PopUnder is, bro. I mean, you get endless clicks. I've made a lot of money on PopUnder and still do. I have the golden ticket method, and I have secrets of how to do that, which I share. I even have an update on what really works now, and it's crazy. Okay, it's leveraging the biggest site in the world, which I mentioned, and it's leveraging PopUnder traffic, the cheapest traffic in the world. You're essentially traffic arbitraging, which is very powerful. But there's other ways to crush it with PopUnder. And even push traffic with adult offers, dating offers, sweepstakes. Push traffic is very cheap as well, and there's a lot of it. It's all about the angle, though. Don't forget that. It all comes down to angle.